No drop. I got.
String is safe. String is safe now.
I'm blueprint fog. Beat. 1, 2. Tail is no T conduit. I am bulldozer. Stairs go the air.
No bananas.
Pipes hate surprises.
Trench, not spaghetti.
Happy foundation.
Nail went home. Banana is structural.
Stuck. Windows will love me.
Deck captain reporting.
Concrete concert.
Secret art corner.
Suction too strong.
Railing goes everywhere.
No mud autograph.
Deck dreams secure.
Wire is not noodles. That one, artistic. I'm compressed. 1, 2, 3. Wall secured, my heart. Windows look cute. Lift! 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 Deck later! Brace surprise. Soon you grow big. Railing later, hero. Joist crown fits me.
Roof is my stage.
Oops, wrong app. Deck zone equals here. No slipping.
Hey. Okay, suction.
No pew-pew on roof.
Railing, I'm coming. Cedar, weren't classy.
I became. Whoa!
Gone!
Hello, strong me. Stairs to deck.
Ooh.
Surfing construction. First step to heaven.
Was not here. Fashion, but safe.
I am roof burrito. Water needs direction.
Sorry. Deck excitement.
Deck send. Ick.
Hello, railing fam.
Wire got my foot.
My hands are professional.
Tool is pointer, not dropper.
This is plumbing, not spa.
Power. Not real. Achoo. Warm though. No finish before check.
I am drywall armor.
Tool better than fist. You mud my ART. Textured style, very modern. Light wants freedom.
My helmet. White now. Accident da. Sorry, cabinet friend. Sun inside house.
Board has secrets. Deck is real now. Hey, look. Fancy. The sunset show. Purple hands equals success. See? Gentle works.
Relaxed but clipped.
Gentle test muscle. Stairs, still talking.
Deck pass splash test.
We built it. No refunds. Why I am. Who did that?
One house.
12 legends.
Trophy wrench.
Yes.
Indoor waterfall. Waffle. Luxury. Railing. Not slide. Square forever. Hammer, too legendary.
Rules approve, I think.
Deck Limbo Champion. Deck zone, all clear. Door wins again. Modern circles. Trendy. Best deck ever. Use scissors, not thunder. NOT the wire ties. Stars approve our deck. Subscribe.
Subscribe for more builds.